Hey guys, today we're unboxing a Raspberry Pi 5 with active cooler. As you can see, I had to open the package right at the post office to verify the contents of the parcel. I ordered the cooling system separately. There are two boxes here. Let's take a look at the cooling system first. The cooling system will allow the Raspberry Pi 5 to operate at full power, maintain a comfortable working temperature, and thereby extend its lifespan. We can see the thermal pads. If you replace thermal paste on your devices yourself, you might have come across these before. And here is the Raspberry Pi 5 itself. Do not touch it while it's powered. And here is the manual itself. Quad-core Cortex A76, RAM 4GB, 2 4-lane ports for camera or display, 2 micro HDMI, 2 USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0, LAN, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It also has a slot for microSD. It feels like it's about the size of a credit card.